called Deja Vu, and I've seen that before, so fully featured, always on display. Which is called What to Do for WhatsApp, compiled with iOS 9 to 14, makes WhatsApp easier and simpler to use. You have all these features right here for WhatsApp. This is called CPU Tool, and it's the first CPU or GPU optimization tweak for iOS. These options right here. This is called Shuffle, and preference.app tweak that runs your settings into an easier navigate sections. So tweets section, system apps, apps or apps. It's called Dope Convos, and make sure messages app dope. This is called Yobon Evolution, and sends utilities everywhere for iOS 13 and 14. You have all these features right here. Which is called Smart Tap ets supports iOS 11 to 14.6. Turn on the screen by tapping it. This is called Pro Jester. This supports these icons right here and has all these features. This is called Admin Plus, and completely written from the ground up. So basically speeds up your animations. Which is called Sit Pro, and adds new buttons to your text selection menu, which helps you look up the text you selected. So reimagine the way you search, use search engines. This is called MagSafe Controller. So you have recreation of MagSafe charging view when connected devices to the power source. It's called Aquarius. Makes the lock screen player better. Which is called Etsnon, and a tweak that makes it easy to access your iOS device's file system from your PC. Called Lend My Phone 3, and either you've ever known parents or once knows that people know exactly what you are doing, or friends that use your phone too often. So you can use this tweak, helps with your privacy. So you give like a guest mode to people, to like your friends, so they actually can't see all your stuff. It's just kind of like a guest mode, kind of like how Mac, where you could have two different profiles, have one with like all your stuff, the profile with like a password, and you have another thing, another profile with just like kind of like a new, just a regular default Mac with your stuff not in there. Kind of have like two different like data files, like two different profiles, kind of just like that for iPhone. So just be a little careful, because some people have had issues not getting back to that other state. So just be really mindful of that. You just at your own risk. It's called Tiny Widget 14, only works iOS 14.2 and above. The tweak is new. It's for the new media player design, which Apple added in iOS 14.2. There's no plans on adding it for below iOS 14.2. So it makes it now plain view on the lock screen space more efficient. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.